Three rush to hospital as gunmen shoot up bar in St. Andrew. Fake cops kill man in downtown Kingston. Taxi driver, passenger shot in St. Elizabeth. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. 3 people were rushed to the hospital after they were shot by gunmen on Birdsucker Lane on Saturday. Reports are that at about 5:20 p.m., a group of people were at a bar when armed men invaded the premises and started firing. The men then fled from the location. The police were called, and during a search, 3 people were found suffering from gunshot wounds. They have since been rushed to the hospital. The state of their condition is not yet known at this time. A team of police remained on location, searching for clues and monitoring the area in an effort to quell tensions. Gunmen pretending to be police officers shot and killed a man on Smith Lane in downtown Kingston in the wee hours of Saturday morning. 22-year-old Howard Hill, otherwise called Spanky, from James Street in Kingston, was shot dead while at his home with 2 females. However, none of the other persons were hurt in the attack. Reports are that around 3:20 a.m., Hill was with the 2 females when several men knocked on the door and identified themselves as police. It is understood that the men kicked the door open, entered the house, and opened gunfire on him, hitting him in the head. The men then escaped on foot in the area. The now deceased was taken by the police to the Kingston Public Hospital, where he was pronounced dead. No motive has been established for the attack. 2 men were shot and injured by gunmen on Saturday morning in Lacovia, St. Elizabeth. The gunmen reportedly shot up a vehicle at the entrance to Dry Harbor Main Road in Lacovia. More details to come following further investigations.